In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox 360 account on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to play something on your Xbox One that requires an Xbox 360 account that you sign in to Xbox Live with the old Xbox guide, and you are getting issues or errors where you aren't able to sign in, fixing this is super simple. All that you have to do is manage the Xbox 360 storage data related to your account. So to do this, go back to the home screen of your console and access the settings. Inside of the settings, go over to storage devices and you will be able to see everything currently on your internal storage and any other external storage devices that you have connected. All that you have to do in there is go over to the left where you can find the option that I've highlighted here. Clear local Xbox 360 storage. Don't worry, everything that is tied to your account is going to remain safe. All this is doing is freeing up the local saved stuff off your memory. So as soon as you choose that option, everything is going to be cleared. However, your account details, your profile, your customization, everything will remain. And once you try to open any game that requires an Xbox 360 account to function through the old guide, you should be able to sign in to the Xbox account that you want to use without any issues. If this doesn't work, you can try restarting your console, but for the most part, all games that require the Xbox 360 old guide and sign-in process to go through will be able to be played as soon as you do this fix. And like I said, all that you have to do is sign into the usual Xbox 360 account that you want to use through this interface that I'm showing you on screen. So just clear the local save data and try again. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox 360 account on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.